If you have motorcycle and your engine is doing overheat, sometimes it will stop along the road. Carefully watch this video, that is what we are solving. What is actually happening is that your piston is too tight to the block engine. This thing is applied to all engine. Remove the piston from the block engine. Mix engine oil with sand. Then put it by force inside the block engine. Then turn it. Turn it with oil power. As we are turning it, what is hooking the piston from the engine are being cleared. Please, if today is the first time of visiting this channel, please subscribe. The subscription will help you. It is free for you to see our next update. Then, as you are turning it, make sure it is turning from the beginning to the end of the hole where this piston is moving. Remember, the piston is moving to and fro. Then after turning it, use fuel. Wash the hole, wash everything, the top cylinder, wash it very well. Make sure it is not rough. Wash it very well. Then wash the piston also. After washing it, then fix the rings of the piston back to the block engine. And with this, you will notice that your engine will not do overheat again, and it will not stop along the way. Thank you.